Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 7 of Techniques in Financial Accounting. This week, we're going to be looking at accounting for receivables and payables. But first, I thought I would bring your attention to our schedule. So we have the mid-semester exam that opened up this morning at 9 a.m. and it is closed and due by Sunday, the 28th of July. I also want to just bring your attention to that we do have our portfolio questions for week modules 5 and 6 that are due at 5 p.m. next Monday, the 29th of July. So the day after the mid-semester exam, we do have our portfolio modules for 5 and 6 due as well. So this week's focus is on accounting for receivables and payables. It's a really important topic. You're going to see receivables and payables in every kind of accounting role that you do. They do have quite a few definitions here down the bottom. I encourage you to get through all the readings and really focus on the accounting for bad debts and how to do the direct write-off method and the allowance method, because they will pop up in assessments later on in the unit. Looking forward now to your revision that you might be still doing for the mid-semester exam. If you get a chance, please review the recording. If you haven't done so already, the mid-semester exam revision collab, that's in recordings underneath the collab tab in your unit in Canvas. Really important. It shows you some key questions, formatting around your journals, formatting around T accounts, and some key exercises and problems that would really aid in your revision. So if you're doing any last minute revision, please focus on those this week. Another thing to note is that please ensure that you download this short answer question template as soon as possible and do it before you attempt the quiz, just to save time, because everything is timed. As soon as you press the start button, your time does begin of 60 minutes for that assessment piece. So downloading it beforehand, getting an idea maybe what that template might show you about the potential question you might face is a really good idea. As always, I encourage you to pop onto the discussion board and ask any questions or queries about your revision. If there's something you're stuck on, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I look forward to working with you through this week and also getting a chance to mark your exam papers for next week. Good luck, everyone.